Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and to another market content. Today I bring to you guys good news. My lovers of quality human hair, I have found for you a manufacturer, someone who has two big hair companies in China. So you don't have to go through all those wholesalers calling big prices for you anymore. You can just buy directly from the factory price only. Isn't that a good thing? Today is your lucky day and you do not want to miss it. Guys, this is Donparisltd Hair, a manufacturer only who sells hair bundles and wigs to you at factory prices only. The lowest price you would ever find in the market. Even your favorites are buying from here. Imagine you getting Tiwa human hair wig for as low as 15,000 naira only. You can get 14 inches full double drawn pixie coil hair for as low as 48,000 naira only. You get to have 14 inches full front for as low as 14,000 naira only. And there are lots more, so much more you can get. Guys, Donparisltd Hair is here for you. This na Odoguji na hair and you do not want to miss buying from them. They are located at number C11 Plaza, Tradefair Complex, Lagos, Nigeria. And they are also available on all social media platforms, so you can definitely order online. They even have a website. So let me let you know that they are 100% legit and authentic. You would also find all their contact details on the screen of this video and also in the description of the video. Kindly watch the video in detail so you can see some of the lovely hairs they have, and I wish you guys happy shopping.
Hello viewers, hello my beloved ladies. I'm Donparisltd, Donparisltd Nigeria Limited. I'm a full-time manufacturer on all kinds of Virgin human hairs. I'm a full-time manufacturer having two companies in China, and my products are everywhere in Africa and all over the world. I'm the supplier of all the vendors you see that are doing business online. I have all kinds of hairs. So if you are buying from Donparisltd, you are buying directly on wholesale prices, very cheap. Like Tiwa wig, I sell Tiwa wigs for 15,000. I have so many hairs that I'm going to introduce to you. This is deep wave, 26 inches. I have from 14 inches to 26 inches, 4x4 closure deep wave, very full from up to tip, complete 300 grams. This is 26 inches. This is the dry one. It has never been wet. Why this is the wet one? You see it's 4x4, 4x4 closure, deep wave. This is 26 inches and this one here is 24 inches. I've wet this one and I've combed it. The price for 26 inches is 150,000 naira. 24 inches is 130,000 naira. SDDs. I have the deep wave from 14 inches to 26 inches. I will send the prices thereafter. Then this is Pixie coil. This is Pixie coil 6x6 closure, piano color, 6x6. This one is 20 inches. I have this one from 14 inches to 20 inches, Pixie coil. How it comes? It comes in 300-gram SDDs. This is how it is in the pack. You see it? So you have to wet and now comb, and it gives you the fantastic nature of what you are expecting. Very full. Look at how full this is. See how full it is? Very full from head to tip. From 14 inches to 26 inches of the deep wave 4x4 closure is available in any quantity you want. 1,000 pieces, 500 pieces, any quantity you want is available. This is the 14 inches of Pixie coil. You see it? This is 14 inches, 6x6, 6x6 closure. You see, 6x6 closure, and this is 20 inches. 14 inches, wholesale price is 48,000. 16 inches goes for 58,000. 18 inches goes for 68,000, and 20 inches goes for 80,000. Then I have a 13x6 natural color 16 inches is also there. You see it? This is full frontal. 13x4 frontal. Any quantity you want. 500 pieces, 1,000 pieces, and so on. Full frontal for gele. For those of you that are doing gele, you can use this. You can bleach it to any color. 14 inches full frontal. You can style it the way you want. This is how it goes. Each pack is 10 in a pack, 10 pieces in a pack, and each pack goes for 140,000 naira. So why each piece is 14,000 per piece. Look at how full it is and all the coils are complete. It has in larger quantities. Each carton is 1,000 pieces in a carton. If you need two cartons, 2,000 pieces, I can give you. So we also have a motola. We have a motola bounce, 100% human hair. This is color 4. You see how it is? And this one too is, and this one is color 2. It has two different colors. You see how the coils are? See how beautiful the coils are. See it? This one is color 4 and this one is color 2. We have packs of hairs. This is 10 inches short shoulder length or bra length. This is 10 inches and it's full frontal. Full frontal 10 inches. Look at it. Full frontal. You see it? Full frontal 10 inches. Ear to ear. Ear to ear lace. This is the hair. Very beautiful. And it also comes in natural color also. And each of these is very cheap. You can get this for 32,000 per pack. Very soft. You can change this color, this natural color now to this orange or to piano or to anything you want to, or to color 2 or color 30. It's 50 packs in a carton. 50 packs in a carton. So anyone you want to buy, you let me know. And the wigs are very beautiful. This very one now is this wig. You see it? I just decided to put it to style it on my own so that people can, you see it is ear to ear, full, very full, and you can style pattern from any angle, either C cuts or anything you want to do. So that is how it is. It's the natural color, very soft. The wig one is 35,000, while the pack itself is 32,000. Very full and very beautiful. That is how it goes. A Pixie coils. The more you comb it, the more it gets fuller. That is how this one goes. The more you comb it, the more it gets full and full. You see how beautiful and how fluffy it is. The natural color of the Pixie, the same 6 by 6. So the more you comb it, the more it gets fuller. And we have Kinky coils also. Kinky coils in pack. This is Kinky coil. Kinky coil 10 inches. 4 by 4 closure. This is the closure. It comes in 4 by 4 closure. So you can wig it on your own and you part it the way you want it. So this is Kinky coils. Kinky coils. Very beautiful human hair. 100% human hair. Next week now I will be having another consignment. This is Tiwa full frontal. Complete full frontal Tiwa. You see how it is. Full frontal Tiwa. You can style anyhow you want to do it. You can do it anyhow you want and all that. This is how it comes. You comb, you style, you wet it and comb and all that. Standing one. This is it. This is full front Tatiwa, the one that has been styled and wet. So you can still do yours in any manner you deem fit. You can also change the color from this color to color orange or color 99J or whatever. Human hairs can be changed. The color can change. Any hair that is perfect, you can change the color from natural color to any other color of your choice. Tiwa goes for 15,000 naira wholesale price. But if you are buying pieces, I will sell for you for 17,000. I have other bounce and other hairs that are on their way. I always offload goods every month. Every month, there must be a container offload of new items. I also bring the stocks back again in case if I run out of stock. So the earlier you place your order, it is on first come, first serve basis. That is how I do it. So all the vendors all over the country that I do business with. Many of the vendors do not want people to know me. What I need is your happiness and your beauty. God bless you all. I'll be waiting for your orders. This one is a 13 by 5 frontal, 13 by 5 C cut, 13 by 5. Very full. From you see it, you see it, very full. This is 24 inches. This one is even more than 300 grams. You can style it anyhow you want. You can do it anyhow you want it. You see it, natural color. Very fine. Very perfect. 13 by 5. This 24. I have 20 inches. The 20 inches goes for 100,000 naira, and the 24 inches goes for 140,000 naira, and the 26 inches goes for 160,000 naira. This is just raw. It has not been styled, nothing. This is a factory wig, 6 by 6 lace. Look at it, 6 by 6 lace. It's 6 by 6 lace, factory wig, 6 by 6 from head to tip. Very, very full. Look at the tip. You see it? You see it? Tip. You see the tip? Tip. SDD. Very, very full. It's more than 300 grams. This is not the Chinese type of hairs. No, this one is perfect human hair. Very, 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 very full from head to tip. Just imagine. This is the front line. Very, very full. Very, very full. You can style any way you want to style. You can part from any angle you want to part. So DM me right now and let us talk about business. Any quantity you want, please get in touch with me. Thank you very much and God bless you all. I am waiting for your orders so that we can run a very fantastic business together.
And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. So now you guys know that Donparisltd Hair is your one-stop hair company for the best wholesale prices that would even allow you to resell and make very good profit. So I would advise that you rush them with order now, buy these goods, start selling and making good money. Please check the description for all the contacts you need, their social media handles, their phone number, their website. Everything you need is there, and I wish you all happy shopping. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with your family and friends, plug them to this good news, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.